Hello guys, welcome to GTL Power live streaming. This is Jimmy. GTL Power is a leading manufacturer of portable school air compressor. Today I wanted to show you our wholesale portable school air compressor 535 CFM in the 10 bar. This air compressor will be used in mini air in low temperature environment. It features high efficiency, safe, stable, and environment friendly. Okay, let me show you the details. Our air compressor is powered by Cummins engine model 6BT 5.9 C150, 6 cylinders, 5.9 liter displacement. The ride power is 112 kW, ride speed is 2300 RPM. Equipped with 55 centigrade alternator. The exhaust pipe was fitted with a protective jacket. 250 liters fuel tank. We use margin controller to realize function of compressor start, stop, dimensionment, maintenance, alarm protection. The AN adopts an efficiency trained screw compressor with SKF bearing. The bearing life is 30,000 hours. The 1-to-1 engine will allow the speed increase gear, drive the air in directly through the elastic coupling. We also have installed an aftercooler. It can reduce the discharge air temperature. This is air receiver tank. And the two air filters for the engine and the air in. Because the air compressor is used in extremely cold areas, we have installed an engine cooling water heater and use the large capacity low temperature battery and the fuel water separator to ensure the quality of the fuel. Every GTL air compressor is made with ingenuity and reliable performance. So far, it has been widely recognized and prized by our customers. Thank you for watching. For more information about our products, you may visit our website www.cngtl.com. Bye.